What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making low-carb creme brulee. I think you're actually going to be surprised by how easy this dish is to make at home. Let's get started. So first you want to take 3 egg yolks at room temperature, and then add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Go ahead and give that a good stir and then set that aside. And then heat 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream in a saucepan until the edges start to boil, and then immediately remove it from heat and add it to your egg yolks mixture. You don't want to add it all at once. You want to temper your eggs so that they don't scramble. So add that warm cream in stages and stir. So add a little cream, give it a stir. Add a little cream and give it a stir. And then add 2 4-ounce ramekins to a baking dish and pour your mixture into each of those ramekins. And then you want to add hot water to your baking dish. You need enough hot water to fill halfway along the edge of both of those ramekins. And then give that a bake. You want to bake that in a 300-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And then remove those and chill. You need to chill those until the ramekins are cool to touch, and then refrigerate it. You'll need to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours to overnight, and I find that overnight works best. And then take 2 tablespoons of sweetener and sprinkle that on top of the custard. Caramelize that sweetener using a kitchen torch, and there you have it.